Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we'll discuss about a topic the qualities exist for good project manager and bad project manager. So today we'll compare the good project manager with the bad project manager. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's just start friend. Good project manager. First of all, we will discuss the qualities exist for good project manager. Friend, good project manager is always a good communicator. Good communicator means that he always communicate properly, either written way or either verbal way. He communicate properly internally with the team and with the customer as well. He always focus on completion of project. He never think about the things which are coming like nitty gritties or mean that the small things. He always focus on the end of the project. uh, he has the requisite credentials to do the project for which they are hired. He has all the qualities, he has all the abilities and domain knowledge about the project. Our consummate professionals avoid disclosing irrelevant information about their personal lives not pertinent to completing the project. He always focus and work professionally, not focus personally, not about himself and not about the other lives. Work autonomously without the need for oversight. He doesn't need any person who always sit with him, talk with him, guide him. He work independently. He always try to inspire others, good people, to do the project work. Like project people like him to work with him. Additionally, a good project manager skill set should include paying close attention to the quality of the project work as it is a direct reflection of their capabilities. Then the next one is that they always try to identify the risk, and not only identify the risk, they always try to find out some way to mitigate the risk as well. Like they find out some response planning as well, that how to mitigate the risk. They offer fair prices for their services. That means the contractors always try to work with him because they always try to give provide a good value or good contractual value. So contractors also feel happy to work with him. Provide detailed reports on the project plans, progress, status, cost, risk issues to the senior management. So these are the qualities of a good project manager. Now we can talk about bad project manager. Friend, bad project managers are normally, they sometimes they communicate over or sometimes they communicate less. So their communication has some issues. They always try to make excuses. For example, they will say that the required resources were not available. They will always give you excuses about the failures or about the issues. They claim they do not need the credentials and have all the experiences they need to do the project. This is a very bad approach. If you need help, you should always try to inform you need help. Try to engage you in helping them out in some way. Like you always, as a senior manager, you always have to provide help to them, and they always seeking for someone to guide them, tell them. You question every decision they make, as it does not seem like they really have the ability to do the work for which they promoted. Point out all the projects they worked on over the years, but is vague on the details of what is was specifically they did for that project. So specification and detail of attention is not there. Design things on the fly, and they don't have any specific design in their mind what they are actually doing. Either change far too little or far too much for their services. Charge means like they are charging for vendors, they are charging for contractors so much, sometimes so much and sometimes so much less. So their the fee they are charging for contractors, it is not very specific, and this is on fly. Their plans, progress reports, status reports, project plans, they are all are vague. They are not very clear, and they are not giving you the right information, due to which the you are not getting the proper information, proper progress, appropriate progress about the project. So these are the factors, or these are the approach of bad project manager. So friend, thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and that's all from my side. Thank you.